Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to book US visa appointment in the new portal. So first of all, you need to open your web browser and search for ustraveldocs.com. Now once you type this URL on your browser, you will be redirected on this page where the first thing that you need to do is to simply choose your location. So over here you will have to select your location, and as per your location it will show you further options. So according to my country, it is showing me these options. So basically it is asking you whether you want to apply for a non-immigrant visa, immigrant visa, or US citizen services. So here you will have to select the option as per your need. For this video I'm going to click on the non-immigrant visa, so it will show you the details about this particular visa, the requirements, and how the application process will work. So here you need to click on the how to apply option, and it will show you all of the instructions that you need to follow. So first of all, you need to know your visa type, and then you need to complete your application process. That will include providing the information about yourself. Then you need to pay the fees for this application, and you can schedule your appointment. Then once your appointment is scheduled, on that date you will have to attend the interview, and in that interview you will be able to know whether you are passed or fail for that particular visa. And you can even track your passport from the sixth step. So here you can click on the apply option in the bottom, and you can start the application process. So if this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.